What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dalton 5.0 and I'm back here with another video. We got a sponsor for Shine Armor today. What Shine Armor is a company with a bunch of detailing sprays and a bunch of car wash products for your car. They sent me some sprays, some ceramic sprays for my car, and they also sent me some ceramic leather wipes for my car. And here we go. Now that I got the car all washed up, I'm gonna start applying the products they sent me. Like I told you before, I got some ceramic spray right here from Shine Armor, and I also got some ceramic leather cleaners from Shine Armor. And then they also sent me 2 microfiber towels. So right now I'm finna tape the car so y'all can see, you know, the car as far as being clean, and then also after I apply the product on there. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so the instructions said I was supposed to apply a few sprays. Oh, I got it locked. My fault. So I was supposed to give it a few sprays on the car, of course. So I'm only gonna do this side and then I'm gonna show you peoples. So go around, apply it all the way to the car on all of the sides. As y'all can see, it leaves a little streak behind it. Okay. Now, as far as differences that I could see, I probably should take the tape off and then you'll see it, but I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Really what I want to show you is that it's ceramic coated now. So the spray also has a little ceramic in it, so definitely helps when you don't have to clean your car every so often. So as you can see, if I drop some water on it over here, it doesn't really stick. I'm gonna drop some water over here. It just stays on there and whatnot. But over here, as you can see, nope. And then also if I put this bottle on there, it'll actually, it won't stay on there at all actually. Just compare it to this side, it'll stay right there. But if I like it, let me go ahead and wipe this off because I did just wash this car. This side compared to this side feels way smoother. And like I say, it's just ceramic coated on this side and this side not. So I'm gonna take this tape off just to see if it did give it a little bit of difference in the shine quality. Ooh, probably doesn't help since I'm directly in the sun. So even so, probably can barely see it. But yeah, like I say, because I'm in the sun, and you probably can barely see it. But that is for as the ceramic spray. Here's my side-by-side comparison of the two. After I finish wiping it down and let it dry, finna hit it with one of these microfiber towels that I got in the back so I can dry it up, of course. And once I take this tape off, you'll see the difference. Well, don't mind the white spots on it because it's dirty. But anywho, this side is not done. This previous it's been done before, but I just did this one as a fresh new side. As you can see, it fades a little bit right here. But like I said, I have already done it not too long ago. But on this fresh new side, I'm gonna show y'all with a drop of water. I think this is really neat and really pretty cool, especially if you have children or dogs or pets or whatever, you know, come in and then boom, clean just like that. You ain't gotta worry about them spilling anything, juice, water. It's all gone. And it's wiped, now it's all clean. Like I said, don't mind these white spots, that's like paint or something. I need to get some alcohol to get that off. But definitely go ahead and pick you up some of these. And definitely some of these. And also use my code NIGHTMARE to get you a 25% discount off your next purchase. Like I say, these two products, I give them both a 10 out of 10. Definitely got my car sparkling. Like I say, now it's, you know, nothing sticks to it.